If you're looking to expand your social circle, pursue hobbies, or network professionally, the Meetup app offers a platform to connect with like-minded individuals through organized events and groups. But with evolving features and user feedback, is it worth using? Let's delve into the details. What is Meetup? Launched in 2002, Meetup is a social media platform designed to facilitate in-person and virtual gatherings based on shared interests. With over 60 million members worldwide, users can join or create groups ranging from hiking enthusiasts to tech networking circles. The app's primary goal is to bring people together to learn, share, and have fun through events and activities. Key features: diverse group categories. From arts and culture to health and wellness, Meetup hosts a wide array of group categories to cater to various interests. Event management. Organizers can schedule events, manage RSVPs, and communicate with attendees directly through the app. Location-based search. Users can discover events and groups based on their geographical location, making it easier to find nearby activities. Integration with calendars. The app allows syncing events with personal calendars, ensuring users stay updated on upcoming meetups. Pros: community building. Meetup excels at fostering communities where individuals can connect over shared passions, leading to meaningful relationships. User-friendly interface. The app's design is intuitive, making it easy for users to navigate through groups and events. Flexibility. Whether you're interested in online workshops or in-person gatherings, Meetup offers options to suit various preferences. Accessibility. Most groups are free to join, and many events are free or low cost, making it accessible to a broad audience. Cons. Subscription model. While joining groups is generally free, organizers are required to pay a subscription fee to manage their groups, which can be a barrier for some. User experience issues. Some users have reported difficulties with the app's navigation and occasional bugs that hinder the user experience. Event quality variance. The quality and organization of events can vary significantly as they depend on individual organizers. Privacy concerns. Given that anyone can create a group or event, it's essential to exercise caution and research groups before attending events. User feedback. User experiences with Meetup are mixed. Many appreciate the platform's ability to connect them with new people and activities, especially when traveling or moving to a new city. However, others have expressed frustration with recent changes to the app's interface and the introduction of paywalls for certain features. Recent developments. In January 2024, Meetup was acquired by Bending Spoons, leading to several updates aimed at improving platform reliability, communication tools, and event discoverability. Despite these efforts, some users remain critical of the app's performance and monetization strategies. Is Meetup worth using? Meetup remains a valuable tool for those seeking to engage with communities and participate in events aligned with their interests. Its vast user base and diverse group offerings provide ample opportunities for social interaction and personal growth. However, potential users should be aware of the subscription costs for organizers, possible user experience issues, and the need for due diligence when selecting groups and events. Final verdict. If you're proactive about finding and engaging with groups that match your interests, and you're comfortable navigating occasional app quirks, Meetup can be a worthwhile platform to enrich your social and professional life.